Rats and mice are common pests that may invade your home while ruining food, causing property damage, and spreading disease. If you're dealing with rodents like rats or mice and want to drive them off your property, then check out Rodent Stopper Granular Repellent. This is a natural, non-toxic, ready-to-use repellent that will control rodent infestations without the use of any poisons. This product works by irritating the animal's senses of smell, taste, and touch to provide harmless, humane animal control. Rodent Stopper is long-lasting, and one application will repel rats and mice from treated areas for up to 30 days. Rodent Stopper Granular Repellent can be applied directly from its container. If you get this product in its larger available quantities, like the 25 or 40 pound containers, you may need to apply using a push spreader or a handheld spreader. Before you apply Rodent Stopper, identify the areas on your property that you want to protect. Look for rodent droppings, scratch or gnaw marks, signs of nesting, and grease marks on walls. Dark, oily grease marks along walls or fences indicate where rodents travel. To minimize direct contact with the product and to protect yourself from rodent waste material, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, a facial covering, and protective eyewear. With the 2.5 pound container of Rodent Stopper, just flip the tab open and shake the product over the areas you wish to treat. When using a spreader, be sure to set an even pace to apply your product evenly. Apply Rodent Stopper Granular Repellent liberally to entry points, throughout lawns, and around plants that need protection. When using near plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Reapply this product as needed every 30 days. Rodent Stopper Granular Repellent can be used outdoors to prevent rats and mice from invading homes, yards, sheds, and garages. Apply this product around entryways and plants. Do not apply directly over plants grown for consumption, but you may apply this product around dormant fruit and nut trees. Use Rodent Stopper when rats or mice have been noticed around your property or when signs of their activities, such as bedding, nesting, or foraging, have been observed. Rodent Stopper Granular Repellent is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.